In this question, you have to identify the ecosystem that has the maximum biomass. Option A, grassland ecosystem. Now, grasslands have a moderate levels of biomass, primarily in the form of grasses and shrubs. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, pond ecosystem. It is also incorrect because ponds are aquatic ecosystem and they are with relatively low biomass. Option C, lake ecosystem. It is also incorrect because like ponds, lakes also have limited biomass. Option D, forest ecosystem. Now, forest ecosystem have the maximum biomass because of a large number of trees which are very massive and they are also long lived. So trees contribute to the biomass through their trunks, branches, leaves, roots. And tropical rainforest particularly have the highest biomass among all ecosystems due to their dense vegetation and favorable growth conditions. Hence, it is the correct option.